NL67XPN. Wow, that was some extreme behavior. NL67XPN. I bet you that he thought I was a copper. LG72OZL. Bit of an extreme of excitement there, a bit more than I want from that guy booting it.